Hello guys, my name is Chukwuka King. Welcome to my channel, Mighty Ife YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel and leave positive comments. If you like any video in this channel, please give it a thumbs up and God bless you. Thanks for watching. Ciao. So in this video, I'm going to show you my bench press equipment which I built when I was young, and that was about 25 years ago. And also because I couldn't afford to buy a factory made bench, I didn't have the money at that time to buy it. So I went to a junkyard and bought pieces of 10 mm and 12 mm plates, pieces of plates, and I took it to a welder and I gave them the measurement, and they cut it around the way I wanted it to be, and also they make a hole in the center the way I instructed them. And also in the junkyard I bought a bar. You can see the bar, So, and also I went to a carpenter who made a bench for me. This bench can withstand a force of more than 1,000 pounds. It's a very strong bench, So that's that. So I made myself a bench press equipment because I couldn't afford to buy factory made. The only difference between this and factory made is that factory made looks beautiful. This doesn't. But in terms of measurement, I used, a standard measurement to build this bench press machine, So, and that's that. And now that I can afford to buy gym equipment, I can buy other equipment, but I'm not going to buy a bench press equipment, because I already have one, and this is, I use a standard measurement, so there's no difference between this and factory made, So I'm not going to throw this away. I'm going to use it, till I die, basically till I die, because I've been using it for the past 25 years and it still looks okay, So if you don't have the money to buy a home gym equipment, you can build it yourself. Just go to junkyard and get the materials and give to experts. If you can't do it yourself, pay them later and they do it for you, the way you want. So that's that. Thanks for watching, and like this video, leave positive comments, and that's that. God bless you. Ciao.